Alright, welcome to the channel guys. As you could see, today in front of us is the all new Tata Punch, and this is how the car looks when it is standing side by side to the Harrier. So this car is in a bright blue color. So this color we are seeing is a creative top end variant. And this color is called Tornado blue color. So let me start the video from the front side of the car. So as you could see, you have got a massive Tata logo right in the middle and a piano black finishing. So this is a honeycomb cutout for the horn so that the horn would be louder. And this is the DRL, so this is a daytime running light which also doubles up as a indicator. And this chrome accent you see is called as humanity line, which covers the whole front of the car. So as you could see, and this is the dual headlamp. So this one is the projector LED headlamp and one is the halogen. So one is the high beam and low beam. So as you could see, there is also one small air intake, and these are the fog lamps with tri-arrow finishing and punch written here. And if we move ahead, this is how the outside rear view mirror looks like. So this is the 16-inch alloy wheel. So since this is a top end variant, you are getting a 16-inch alloy wheels in this car with a disc brake. And this is how the outside rear view mirror looks like with the indicator on it. And this is the door handle with the request sensor. And moving ahead, this is how the rear of the car looks, and the handle is mounted on the C pillar, and this is how the car looks from the rear side. So the dual tone finishing looks brilliant, and this is the reflector with the tri-arrow finishing, and this is the tail lamp which also get a tri-arrow accent. This is how it looks, and this is the Tata logo with the rear camera beneath it. So this is a back wiper and the top mounted stop lamp. So let me quickly open the boot and show you how it looks. So this is how the boot opens up. So there is a small LED light here. This is the parcel shelf, and there is no charging socket at the rear, and you are also getting a tire inflator to fill the air inside the tire. So this is some velcro so that you can tie something. And now let me show you how the rear shield of the car looks like. So as I said, the door handle is on the C pillar, so it opens up from here, and as you could see, you are getting a dual tone finishing on the door. So this is how it looks. You have got the power window and a small cubby hole to keep coin and other stuff. So this is a bottle holder, and this is how the rear seat looks like. And this is the armrest. So they haven't given any cup holders here, and as you could see, you have got two headrests which are adjustable. And let me get inside now, and this is the handle with the hook on the right side, and even on the left side you are getting a handle and the hook. And this is how the dashboard of the car looks like from the rear side. So now let me quickly get inside the car and show you how it looks from the driver's side. So this is the door handle and all the power window controls, also the ORVM controls, and even on the driver's side you have got the dual tone finishing. So this is how the steering wheel looks like, and this is the AC vent with blue color accent all over it. This is how the instrument console looks like, and of course this is the steering itself. And here is the engine start stop button to keep coin and stuff. And if you see down below here, so this is clutch, brake and acceleration. There is also a space for dead pedal. Now moving on, this is how the center AC vents look like with a hazard light, and this is the inside rear view mirror. And looking at the sun blinder, you have got one mirror, and driver side sun blinder, there is no mirror, only the toll receipt holder. And this is the small light. There is a hook on the passenger side, and let me show you how the glove box looks like. So this is how the glove box. There is one more section where you can keep books and all, and these are the center AC controls. So there is one USB port and a 12-volt socket here. These are the AC vents, and there is one more 12-volt socket here with the wireless charging pad, and this is the handbrake. And moving forward guys, these are all the color options which you are getting for the Tata Punch. So this is the Tornado Blue, Daytona Grey, Orcus White, and this is the Meteor Bronze and the Atomic Orange. So yeah guys, this was all about this video. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe because it is absolutely free, and it also helps me a lot to grow my channel. And also if you have any doubts or suggestions, do comment down below. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.